All right, everyone, we're going to be going over how to make an emote for Twitch using Adobe Photoshop. Let's go. All right, once you have an image loaded, we're going to go to the crop tool. We're going to select that, and it's going to look like this when the image is highlighted. We're going to click and drag one corner and select what you want to see. I kind of want the sword and up here. I'm going to click the bottom one and do the same thing. Kind of get it looking like a square as much as possible. After you do that, you're going to click off of the crop tool, and you're going to come over here and match the width with the height. So right now, the height is 747. Press enter, proceed, okay? Now you see it's a perfect square. And when it's a perfect square, this is the easy part. All you got to do is export it. You're done. So you go to File, and you go to Export as. When you are in this screen, the only thing you're going to have to change is the image is the format to a PNG, the image size to 112, and then the height will automatically fix. And then you go to export, pick emote 1, whatever, name it whatever you want. And you're done with the first out of 3 emotes that you need to do, because you need 3 different sizes for one emote. The next one is half of 112, which is 56 by 56. So same thing, PNG, and then go to 56. It'll automatically switch, and then export. And then make this one 56. Save. And then you got to do it one more time. Same thing. Export, export as, and then half of 56, which would be 28. Export, type in 28 so you know the size, save, and done. And that is how you make emotes for Twitch using Adobe Photoshop. Fairly simple, fairly quick, and a lot of fun, actually. I love using Photoshop. If you got any questions, hit my comments down below, and have a good day. Peace.